Good day everyone, this is the video about our sixth tool that we developed for students teaching about bottom-up parsing. This tool can be used before introducing item sets, SLR, LR parsing tables in the proper way to do bottom-up parsing. This is kind of an intuitive manual way to reconstruct the derivation tree from the bottom to the top with the rules, with using reductions. So in this tool, the student can select any part of the input and say that he or she wants to apply a reduction rule based on that. If I just click reduce, then we get an error message that we also must select a rule. We want to use this rule and we want to reduce A to the non-terminal B. Then if we go with that, then it's immediately done and visible like here. If we also want to reduce B, and let's say I choose the same rule, which is of course not compatible, then we get a different error message. So I have to select the correct rule and then I can do the reduction. I can repeat this process. I can reduce that B to an E, and I can reduce this E star C to an S with rule 1. It is easy to see that I will get to a dead end. I can still reduce this B to the non-terminal E, but then I cannot do anything with E plus S. So this is the wrong way to go. But in this case, the students just can undo the operations that were not done correctly and go to the correct way of reducing B to E, then reducing E plus B to a single non-terminal E, and then reducing E times C to the starting symbol S. And if we are done, then we can validate our solution, and basically that's it.